Hello and welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Today I want to show you how you can align these your letters. So right now with the make sure that you are upgraded to the 1.18 1.1.8. Okay, so now I'm going to select this and I'm going to right click, and you have paths. And you want to ungroup these paths so that way you can move your design any which way you want. I am actually going to be making a welcome sign, and so I want these letters and they will be having an update to where you can change those. Right now you can only do the horizontal and the vertical to where it flips it upside down. So now you can either come in here, you can move those all over. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use the grid to line these up. I'm not sure how far I'm going to go with these. I want to give them enough space to where they don't look like they're jumbled. And then if you want to, you can weld them back together how you want, and then there they are. I wanted to show you that. I do know that in the Facebook Siser support group for North America, he offers a lot of, if there's something that you're wanting to see with the software, you can chime in and you can comment there. A while back, he was asking about what do you like from certain programs. I added a few myself. I hope that helps someone. If you have any other questions, comment below. And as always, have a great day. Thanks.